Every day, your business faces threats that could result in losing your data. Cybercriminals, burglars, fire, and flood. And losing data can cripple any business overnight, which is why it's vital to have backups. Think of it like a spare tire on your car. You hope you never need it, but boy aren't you relieved to have it when you get a flat. Data backups are exactly that for your business files and customer information. Safety nets that keep you running smoothly even when things go wrong. But it doesn't end there. Just like you'd check your spare tire's air, you need to test your backups. It's not just about having them, it's about making sure they work. Imagine you back up regularly, but when disaster strikes, you discover your backups are corrupted. There are lots of ways to check, including manually accessing backup files, running verification applications, and even doing test restores. Don't wait for a crisis to discover your backups can't be restored. Test regularly. Keep your business data safe and sound. We can set all of this up for you so you don't have to think about it. Get in touch